Alright, so if y'all been watching the channel for a while, y'all know I'm all about the early 90s to mid 90s. I'm an 80s baby, so I like those retro kicks. You know what I'm saying? I love it when Nike give us that. And today we got another banger from Deion Sanders and Nike. Glad they brought this sneaker back. Now, it's been retro quite a bit of times, but man, for some reason this year we arguing. Everybody's debate. Are these the Falcons? Are they the 49ers? What are they, man? All I know is they sold out. Let's talk about it.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I
Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're going to be having a quick discussion about a sneaker that did drop today. And we're just going to talk about, verify a couple of things, you know, clarify some stuff, because in the streets, y'all don't know what's really going on with it. And I kind of understand the confusion. But before we get up into this content, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that like button, turn the notification bell, do all those great things, and I would greatly appreciate y'all. Now, today we had the Nike Diamond Turf that dropped today, the 1993 joints. This thing has been retro several times, and today we had it retro again. And off the rip, these things sold out. Like, the original release date was supposed to be February something, I think like the 12th or something like that, but they end up loading up a couple of days ago on the sneakers app, and they did get the official drop. And everywhere, DTLR, everywhere I've seen they sold out. Even the grade school sizes are like not that much available out there. You know what I'm saying? Will you be able to walk into some of your local stores and cop these things? I don't know, man. I don't know about this one because I don't know the stock numbers and stuff like that. But this sneaker didn't have the effect that this shoe had. When they gave us this one, we had like 2 or 3 different releases. Some stores had them out early, and this sneaker was kind of like available, and it dropped in price drastically. But these Diamond Turf 93s, these things are the original ones, and I don't think that it's gonna be that way. I feel like these shoes are gonna have the effect of these two sneakers. So if y'all remember when the pennies dropped and the grippies dropped, both of these sneakers were 2 sneakers that when they dropped, everybody was going crazy. The pre-sale for these things were crazy. And then they end up doing another drop, an initial drop, a bigger drop. And these things end up dropping in price drastically. You can probably get them at dang near retail. But these things right here are still sitting at a pretty good penny, but they've dropped in resale also. So I think this sneaker will have the same type of effect, the same type of vibes when it comes to that sale price. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. And that's going to be, are these things the Falcons or the 49ers? Now, as we know, or if you don't know and you're watching this video to figure this out, Deion Sanders was a dual athlete. What that means is he played football and baseball. So hence the term dual. He did 2 sports. This was at the professional level. It's not many athletes that did this, and that's just how iconic and great that he was. You feel what I'm saying? So during this time in 1993, Deion Sanders was playing for the Atlanta Falcons in the Atlanta Braves. So these shoes should be dubbed the Falcons. Every website I'm seeing them on, people are saying 49ers. And I think it's because the hint of gold on the back of them. But the only Diamond Turf that should be dubbed the 49ers should be the Diamond Turf 2s, as you guys see on the screen. And I'm hoping that we get these shoes next. And I get it with the gold, but I feel like you're rocking with either the Atlanta because they're black and white. Either or, these sneakers will go well. But if we want to be politically correct, I'm 40. I'm an 80s baby. I remember these times. I remember in high school, starter jackets and Jerry curl bags and gold chains. Like, I remember all this stuff when it comes to this sneaker. And if my memory served me correct, Deion Sanders in 1993 was playing with the Atlanta Braves in the Atlanta Falcons. So stand up ATL, this is gonna be the Falcons. So I'm gonna call it as such, and these are the Falcons. I do hope they give us a Diamond Turf too. They given us the original Diamond Turf. They gave us the Diamond Turf Max 96 in multiple colorways. They've kind of been like dragging that thing out. I feel like they need to chill out on that. And now it would be only right for them to give us the true Diamond Turf 49ers, which is the Diamond Turf 2. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions? Were you able to cop this sneaker? It's sold out ASAP. Were you able to add it to your collection? And let me know if you agree. Comment down below. Do you agree that these are the 49ers, or do you agree that these are the Falcons? I feel like they're the Falcons based on my knowledge of what's actually going on. But y'all comment down below and let me know in the comment section. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got